Waking up, not to sunlight, but to a red sky and the hum of life support systems keeping you alive. You're on Mars. There's no turning back now. Mars, a cold, barren desert floating 140 million miles away from Earth. And yet, it's our best shot at a second home. With climate change, overpopulation, and growing uncertainty on Earth, space agencies and private companies are now racing not just to land on Mars, but to live there. But how? In this story, we'll explore exactly how humans will survive on Mars, from building homes to growing food, generating oxygen, and staying sane on a planet that never asked for us. Before survival begins, there's the challenge of getting there. Mars isn't just far, it's a 7 to 9 month journey in zero gravity, inside a spacecraft barely larger than a school bus. Astronauts will endure radiation exposure, mental fatigue, and zero resupply. NASA's Artemis program and SpaceX's Starship aim to send humans by the 2030s. But landing safely is only the beginning. Mars has no breathable air, sub-zero temperatures, and deadly radiation from space. Step 1, build a shelter. Early colonists will live in inflatable habitats or even underground caves known as lava tubes, shielded by natural rock. NASA has tested 3D printed shelters made from Martian soil, layered to block radiation. These homes will be airtight, pressurized, and equipped with power systems and life support. Inside, think of a compact apartment just with no windows, no fresh air, and 62% less gravity. Mars' atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide. To survive, astronauts will rely on machines like MOXIE, Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, already tested by NASA, to convert CO2 into breathable oxygen. Water? It comes from ice trapped beneath the surface, melted and purified through filtration systems. Every drop counts. Showers will be rare. Recycling systems will convert urine and sweat into usable water, just like on the ISS. You can't ship burgers to Mars. The first humans will live off prepackaged meals, but long-term survival needs Martian farming. Using hydroponics and artificial lights, they'll grow crops like potatoes, lettuce, and soybeans, maybe even Martian tomatoes. The soil isn't naturally fertile, but scientists on Earth have created successful simulators to grow food using treated regolith and recycled waste. No power means no life. Mars gets half the sunlight Earth does, so solar energy will be the primary source, especially near the equator. NASA is also developing small nuclear reactors like kilopower to provide backup power in dust storms and long nights. These systems will power lights, heat, oxygen machines, computers, and water extraction units. Now comes the part no machine can solve, the mind. Imagine no sunsets, no birds, no family dinners, only red skies, sterile walls, and silence. Isolation on Mars will be extreme. Teams will train for years to handle stress, conflict, and depression. Projects like the HIC's Mars simulation in Hawaii have shown that even well-trained people can crack under pressure. Psychological support, entertainment systems, and scheduled Earth calls with a 20-minute delay will be essential. Mars might look peaceful, but its weather can be brutal. Dust storms can engulf the entire planet and last for weeks. Temperatures can drop to 80 degrees, 62 degrees at night. Spacesuits must be advanced with heat regulation, dust resistance, and emergency air tanks. Rovers and equipment must be tough enough to handle the freeze and smart enough to work without Earth's help. The first humans on Mars won't be tourists. They'll be pioneers, engineers, doctors, botanists, and builders. Their mission, not just to survive, but to build the foundation for generations to come. They may never return. Their children, born in reduced gravity, may become the first true Martians. No one said it would be easy. But the will to explore is hardwired into us, from crossing oceans to flying through the sky, and now to reaching another planet. Will we survive on Mars? If history has taught us anything, we don't just survive, we adapt, we build, we thrive.